This 2019 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 527 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 5 inches in length and features a neutral interior, sleeps 4, oven, DVD player, slide-out, external shower, LP detector, TV antenna, microwave, skylight, smoke detector, self-contained, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 527 BHS is 8,514 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.